Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In the page of history, certain figures stand out not just for their inventions, but for how they shaped the world as we know it. One such genius was Al-Jazari, a man whose mind was centuries ahead of his time. Born in the heart of the Islamic Golden Age, Al-Jazari's innovations in engineering and mechanics laid the groundwork for many technologies we take for granted today. From integrated clocks to first programmable robots, his work was a blend of art, science, and imaginations. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Al-Jazari, the father of modern robotics. Little known about Al-Jazari, and most of it comes from his introduction from the book Knowledge of Mechanical Science. Al-Jazari's name comes from his birthplace, Al-Jazira, Mesopotamia, the traditional Arabic name for the region on the northern border of Mesopotamia, and now known as southeastern Turkey, between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Like his fathers, he served as chief engineer at Artuklu Palace, the residence of the Mardin branch of the Urtakkide dynasty that ruled eastern Anatolia as a vassal territory of the Zenjid and later Ayyubid dynasties. Al-Jazari was part of the artisan tradition and so was more of a practicing engineer than an inventor who seemed to be more interested in the workmanship required to build a device than the technology behind it. And his machines were usually assembled by trial and error rather than theoretical calculations. His book, Knowledge of Mechanical Science, seems to have become very popular as it has been seen in a large number of manuscript copies. And as he repeatedly explained, he only described tools that he built himself. According to Meyer, the language style in the book like a modern do-it-yourself book. Some of his devices were inspired by earlier devices, such as one of his monumental water clocks, which was based on pseudo-Archimedes. He also cites the influence of the Banu Musa brothers for his fountains, Al-Astrolabi for the design of candle clocks, and Hibatullah ibn al-Husayn for musical automata. Al-Jazari goes on to describe the improvements he made to the work of his predecessors and describe the tools, techniques, and components that were his original inventions not seen in the work of his predecessors. While many of Al-Jazari's inventions may now seem trivial, the most important aspects of the Al-Jazari's machines are the mechanism, component, ideas, methods, and design features he worked with. Among them, the camshaft, first introduced in 1206 by Al-Jazari, who applied in it his automata, water clocks such as the candle clock, and water racing machines. Cams and camshafts subsequently appeared in European mechanics from the 14th century. Alongside his achievements as an inventor and engineer, Al-Jazari was also an artist. In his book of Knowledge of Mechanical Science, he gave instructions on his inventions and depicted them using miniature painting, a medieval Islamic art style. Al-Jazari wasn't just an inventor. He was a visionary who bridged the gap between ancient knowledge and modern innovations. His creation, which combined functionality with artistic beauty, continued to inspire engineers and inventors around the world. Although centuries have passed since his time, the legacy of Al-Jazari lives on in every machine and every innovation that shapes our future. Thank you for joining me on the journey into the life and world of a true genius. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories from the page of history. Until next time, stay curious.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.